Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the most important new feature from Instagram, which is favorites. I'm gonna show you how you can add particular content creators or videos or types of posts to appear with advanced setting in front of you, meaning that they will be preferable content, so Instagram will know exactly which type of content you want to see, so you're not gonna miss any content from your favorite creator. Let's launch the Instagram app. So for example, over here, let's say I'm vibing with that type of content, right? Content like this, right? With surfing, with water sports or whatever. So in this example, I want to see this content always. Every time when I launch the app, I want to see more like water sports. So click on the three dots above the post and you click on the second option, which is add to favorites. Okay, when you click on favorites, essentially you see the small red star appears on the upper right corner. So now this video, this creator, this picture, this type of content will always get preference to showing you instead of someone else. So to see what you so far have in your list as a preference, you want to click on this star. When you click on the star, you will see all of your recent favorites. So this post from your favorites will appear in higher in the feed. Only you can see, who you add or remove. Essentially, your friends and your followers, they don't know what is your favorites. It's only you. It's like your own personal preference and of course the Instagram algorithm. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.